Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Kalkandu Vada. Kalkandu Vada is a sweet vada with ulund. We have to break Kalkandu and grind it together. You can store this Kalkandu Vada minimum 5 days. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Kalkandu Vada. I have taken 1.5 cup of ulund, 1 handful of raw rice, 1 cup of kalkandu. Break it nicely, rinse these, soak it in water at least for minimum 2 hours. See how it has popped up and come. Now strain the excess water. Use this water when you grind, or you can make this water when you put vada. Grind this ulund finely. Just sprinkle water. Use your hands to push the ulund sticks to the grinder wall. Now add little by little the broken kalkandu. It will take 30 minutes to grind, 20 to 30 minutes to grind, and then see the consistency should be like this. And then transfer this ulund batter in a vessel. Now the batter is ready. Now take a plate, place banana leaf. Once the oil is ready to deep fry, take little ulund batter, place it on banana leaf, flatten it, make a hole in center, and then drop it down in the oil. Like this. So according to kadai consistency, add vadas. According to the size of kadai, add vadas. Flip both the sides of vadas till it gets golden brown. Let the flame be medium to sim. So now yummy Kalkandu vadas are ready.